Very good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss in English grammar lesson number 7, names of living and non-living things. Okay, all of you open your book on page number 13. You can see here names of living and non-living things. See here, everyone. Pick out the names of people, animals and things from the sentences and write them on the correct tortoises. Okay, so first we will read the sentence and you can see here there are three tortoises. First one is people, second one is things and animals. So after reading this sentences, whatever is given here, we have to find out the name, find out the living and non-living things, and accordingly we have to fill their names in the given tortoise. Okay, so read the sentence first. First one, the baby is playing with a toy. Once again, the baby is playing with a toy. First we will read all the sentences, then we will find out the living and non-living things, name of the living and non-living things from this sentence. Okay, the baby is playing with a toy. Second one is the cat is sleeping on the rug. Second one is that the cat is sleeping on the rug. Third one, the boy is petting his dog. Third one, the boy is petting his dog. Fourth one, the man is waiting for a bus. Fourth one, the man is waiting for a bus. Fifth, the frog is sitting by the pond. The frog is sitting by the pond. And the last one, the girl is milking a cow. The girl is milking a cow. Once again, the baby is playing with a toy. The cat is sleeping on the rug. The boy is petting his dog. The man is waiting for a bus. The frog is sitting by the pond. And the last one, the girl is milking a cow. So you can see here on the blackboard, same I have written here. First one is that the baby is playing with a toy. What we have to do, हमें क्या करना है? Just first we read the sentence and then after we will find out the names of living and non-living things. Okay? यहाँ पे देख लीजिए people, things, animals. यहाँ पे ये 3 ब्रैकेट्स दिए हुए हैं जिनमें हमें सेंटेंसेस पढ़ के people, accordingly people, animals और things की नेम को लिखना है. So first we will read the first one sentence. Okay, the baby is playing with a toy. So इसमें से कौन सा जो नेम है लिविंग है और नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स है, यही हमको फाइंड आउट करना है. तो बेबी क्या है? बेबी इज अ लिविंग थिंग और नॉन लिविंग थिंग? बेबी है. ओके, अंडरलाइन दिस. फर्स्ट वन इज बेबी. ओके, देन प्लेइंग विद अ टॉय, इट्स अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स टॉय. ठीक है, 2 हमें फर्स्ट सेंटेंस से मिले. देन सेकेंड वन, द कैट इज स्लीपिंग ऑन द रग. कैट इज ऑल्सो अ लिविंग थिंग ना. सो द कैट इज अ लिविंग थिंग एंड द रग इज नॉन लिविंग थिंग. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. रग क्या है? नॉन लिविंग थिंग है. देन थर्ड वन, द बॉय इज पेटिंग हिज डॉग. बॉय इज अ लिविंग थिंग and then dog is also a living thing. It's an animal name ना. हमें people name, animal name और things जो name है वो लिखने हैं यहाँ पे. तो हमें मिले. Now fourth one, the man is waiting for a bus. Man is a animal, man is a people. Man is a people and waiting for a bus. Bus is a thing. Okay ना. Then fifth one, the frog is sitting by the pond. types na times it is written here. The frog is sitting by the pond. So frog is a animal name na, frog animal है और ये pond क्या है, things. Then the sixth one, the girl is milking a cow. Girl is a people and cow is a animal na. You can see the same in the book. The baby is playing with her toy. So baby is people. So we will write here baby. You can see it here. BABY baby. Toy. Toy क्या है? Things है. So we will write here toy. Understood or not? Toy. Then second one is the cat is sleeping on the rug. Cat is a animal. So we will write cat here. Cat. Okay. And cat is sleeping on the rug. Rug is what? Things. So write here rug. RUG rug. Understood na? RUG rug. Then third one, the boy is petting his dog. The boy is petting his dog. Boy is what? People name na? BOY. Boy is petting his dog. So dog is animal. We write here dog. Understood? The man is waiting for a bus. So man is also a name of a people. It will come in a people category. So write here man here. Waiting for a bus. Bus is what? It will come here in things. Bus. Okay. The frog is sitting by the pond. Frog is what? It will come in animals. FROG frog. Okay na? And sitting by the pond. Pond will come in things. POND pond. Okay. Then girl is milking a cow. Girl will come in this category of people. GIRL girl. And cow will come in this category of animals. So it will be completed. Okay na? Toy, rug, bus, pond, in things, animals, cat, dog, frog, cow, and people, baby, boy, man, girl. So same will be your homework also. You will do this in your book, and no one of your class sending me the attachment of your work, whatever you are doing in the classwork and whatever you are doing as a homework. So send me back. Okay ना? आप अटैचमेंट मुझे कैंपस केयर में सेंड करिए. आई वांट टू सी हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू कंप्लीटिंग एंड इन अ वेरी नीट एंड क्लीन हैंड राइटिंग. ओके.